her dance right. I can make her dance. I can make her dance right. I can make her dance right. I can make you dance, girl. I can make you dance. I can.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright guys, so today I will be doing something different. Today I brought my very good friend with me, Eddie Nini. Please come out. What's up? Hey guys, my good friend Eddie Nini just started making music, and he's also a really good dancer. I was lucky enough to be part of his new music video and song called Make Her Dance that you can check out in the link below. I will also link to his channel, so if you want to see more of his stuff, please go subscribe to his channel. Okay, so today Eddie will be teaching us how to do the dance from Make Her Dance music video. And Eddie, could you tell us a bit about the dance?
Yes, but I used to do like kind of complicated dance choreographies, but this time it's gonna be simple and smooth, so everybody can learn this dance.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, Eddie, so let's just jump right into it. What should be the first thing?
Yeah, let's do it. But first of all, I start to cross my arm, where I say cross, and...
So you're using your right hand to say throw?
Throw.
Okay.
And then I just bring them up.
Okay, so you're saying right arm throws, left arm goes up, and then you bring both of them up here?
Exactly.
Okay, great. Let's try that.
Yeah. So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8, cross, and up. Yes, again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, cross, and up. Nice. One more last time.
Okay, maybe last time do it a bit slower.
Yeah. That's it. Hit, and up.
Alright, what about the lower part?
Yeah, the lower part, the hard part is like you would have to do it with the legs at the same time as where I go like right and left. That's the hard part. But let me show you first. It's gotta go and 1 and 2 and yes again. 5, 6.
Can we maybe just do the legs to begin with?
Yes. The legs is right, left, left, right. 5, 6, 7 and 8, right, up, and down. 5, 6, 7 and 8, right, up, down, down. 5, 6, 7 and 8, right, left, left, right. Yes. And at the same time, you gotta go like 1 and 2 and the last one, but not least, you gotta go to the side. Boom, boom.
Okay, so you're up on your toes, right?
Yes, exactly.
And then you're twisting
to the side, and then I bring them back. Down.
Okay.
While my upper body goes to the left. Boom, boom.
Okay, but you keep your hands here to the front.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ha, 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 ha. Yes. So let's.
And you kind of bend your knees as well, right?
Yes, I do. Boom, boom.
Okay, great.
So one more time, very slow, with the legs and everything. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and ha, ha. Nice.
Okay.
So yeah, you will have to do these steps 2 times. So let's take it slow again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and hit, hit, ha, 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 and hit, hit, ha, ha, ha. So same tempo again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Nice.
Yes. All right. So what's the next thing?
I think from here we say 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna cross with your legs, cross, or you hit down with the elbows.
So your arms are saying like that? Or?
Yeah, my arms are saying up, down, while my legs say up, down.
Okay, so you're jumping.
Yeah, I'm jumping right into it.
Okay.
So maybe we should take the leg first. My leg's gonna be like cross, turn it around, and just do the exactly same thing. Cross, turn around. Yes. So let's take it again. Just the legs. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross, turn around, cross, turn around. All right. So now we're gonna take the arms. It's gonna be very simple. You're just gonna go back, up, down, up, down. And at the same time, if you take the legs together, it's gonna be like up. And when you go down, you're gonna turn at the same time. Turn to go one more time. Up, down. That's very simple.
Easy.
So again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up, down, up, down. Yes.
Again?
5, 6, 7, and 8. Up, down, up, down.
Alright.
Should we take the tempo?
Yes.
5, 6, 7, and 8. And
Alright, so now we did boom, ta, 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 boom, ta, 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 jump, jump, and then what comes next?
the next step, you gotta be like,
Wait, you end here, right?
yes, exactly. And then from here, you gotta go left, step,
Can we just do the legs?
step. Yeah. The next is, you are up there, you just gotta go like left, right, right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, right, right, left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ha, ha.
So you're leaning to the sides, right?
Exactly.
So left to begin with.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I go to the left side and then step, to the right side and then step again. And your arms, very easy. You just gotta follow the flow.
So you come from here,
I
right?
come from here, exactly. And you just gotta follow the flow where you go left, right, right, left.
Okay, so you kind of, the first time they just go around,
Around and straight.
and then you use your left to say start. Ah, okay.
Exactly.
Here.
So let's take it slow. One more time. You go to the left side, snap, right side, snap. Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
Should we take with the legs as well?
Yes, let's do that.
So 5, 6, 7, and slowly go left, step, right, step. Nice.
Okay.
One more time.
Yes.
5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Should we take the normal tempo?
Yes, let's do that.
The normal tempo, you just gotta make it smooth and make it look good. Just like 5, 6, 7, and 8, and smooth. 8, smooth. So, the next step is gonna be kind of complicated, but let's just take to it.
It's easier to start like this, right? When you do the next
Yeah,
one.
exactly. We're also leaning on the right side. You just gotta. I'm
So
gonna.
most of our weight is on the right leg.
It's all right. The tricky part is like you still gotta have to jump on your right leg. First of all, you gotta stand on your right leg. You gotta go like right.
So jumping on the right.
Yeah. And the left leg up.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna switch it over to the left leg up. And then you're gonna
Let's just do the two first jumps.
yeah. Alright guys, now we're just gonna take the 2 first steps. We're gonna go like 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump. Right. Jump. Left. Exactly. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump. Right. Jump left. Yes. And make sure that your left leg is straight on the first jump. Straight the left leg. And switch it up. Boom. Exactly, very nice. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stretch. Nice. One more last time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And stretch. So from here, kind of complicated, but you just gotta turn around and lean on your left side. And you're gonna land on your right leg. It's gonna go like this. Boom. And then forward.
Okay.
So
Yeah, and I think the tricky part here is that you do this jump, right? But
Yeah.
at the same time, you're also turning
Yeah.
to the left. So you're doing this, but at the same time, you're turning as well.
Exactly.
All right.
So you gotta think like 180 degrees.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you were, first steps was like tick, and the last one, go to your left side and jump over.
Sure.
Exactly. So let's take it from the 2 first steps. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, and jump over. Slow again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, jump over.
One last time?
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, jump over.
All right. All right, guys. Remember that you can always rewind and watch some of the previous stuff. Or if you think we're going too fast, then you can change your speed settings in the YouTube settings down below.
Alright, so now if you want to, you can add some arms at the same time, but it's kind of advanced. It's gonna go like boom, boom, boom. Yes, slow.
Okay, so you're just swinging them around.
I'm just swinging them around
and
start.
start. Okay.
Yeah, but if you think it's too hard, just keep your hands on your belt. I like it.
And then just repeat.
Yeah, it looks smooth as well.
Okay.
But let me show you one time how does it goes with the arms. It goes like 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ha, ha, ha. Exactly.
Alright.
But the other one is smooth as well, so you can show it as well.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's take it slow again. 5, 6, 7, and slow. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side, right, left, right. From here, you're gonna tap on your left foot and jump directly. It's gonna go like this. Jump. Nice, Superman.
Right. So basically, you're just doing a jump, right? This is just an extra touch.
Extra touch, extra soul.
All right.
So you were here. You gotta go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and jump. Nice.
All right. And I noticed your arms are saying,
yeah,
push.
And go like,
yeah. So
and 1. Superman. Exactly.
all right.
So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. From here, you're gonna go directly to the left side and step on your left foot, where you're gonna move like snake, snake, snake. And it's just left, right, left. So again, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and jump to go directly to the left side, left, right, left. So from here, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and jump, and left, right, left.
All right. One last time?
Yeah, very slow. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and jump, and left, right, left. So now I call it the teach me how to doggy.
Yeah.
So teach me how to doggy is very simple. It's like you wanna.
So you're doing kind of a wave thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Body roll-ish?
With the upper body. Yeah. But there is many different ways of doing it. Some people like to do it more on the side, while they do the Harlem shake. But you decide. So,
okay, so you just put your own flavor into it.
You just put your own flavor into it. There is no like the right and wrong way to do it.
But if you don't have any flavor, then just kind of body roll, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
While you push your arm into it. Yeah. So very simple. You're gonna go like right, left, right. Again. 5.
And you kind of stop the movement. Right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Stop, like hitting a wall.
8.
Alright.
So we were just here.
Yeah.
Then from the dog, you just gotta go right, left, right.
Yeah. Let's just try that once again.
Alright. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, right.
Alright.
5, 6, 7, and 8, and right, left, right. Yeah.
Okay. So from the doggy.
Yeah.
Boom.
So you say right, left, right. You just gotta go slide.
So you take a step with your
Right leg.
Right leg.
Yeah. While my arms are up.
But you're kind of doing a prep, right?
Yeah.
You want to say hit.
Yeah,
Or
you
throw
have
your arm.
exactly la préparation en français. For my ladies out there. You
Alright.
go and slide. So go pedal bourré. One more time in French. You already know. Left, right,
left. So you're taking a step back with your left, and then the right follows, and then the left steps to the front. All right.
So let's take it from the slide just with the legs.
Okay.
And then the pedal bourré. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and slide. Pedal bourré.
I don't know if you noticed, but we are kind of turning our bodies to the side. Yeah, so it's more like a step to the back than it is to the side. Yeah? Alright, let's try again.
5, 6, just the legs, and slide. Pedal bourré. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and slide. Pedal bourré. Yes, let's try with the arms.
Yeah?
So it's gonna go like and 1, pedal bourré. Yes.
Oh yeah.
You wanna end? Yeah.
Let's just do that again.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So one more time. Can we do it a little bit faster?
Yeah, let's try.
5, 6, 7, and 8, and slide, pedal bourré.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 5, 6, préparation, and 1, pedal bourré. And now for the last step, you just say pedal bourré. You just gotta go to the right and lean down.
So take a step with your right. Boom.
And then you gotta end it with a cool pose. Yes, sir.
So your arms are saying, wow, they're here, and then they go up and out, and then up to whatever pose. Let's try again.
Yes. So put pedal bourré. You look into your left.
Yes.
You gotta step directly right while looking front and lean forward. Boom. To go. Yeah.
So from here.
5, 6, 7, and 8, and slide, pedal bourré, down and pose. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and slide, pedal bourré, down and pose. Should we take everything from the top?
I think we should try that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I think maybe we should just do a quick recap, and then just for the viewers, so that you can see which order the moves comes, and then we can do it slowly with you guys. Yeah?
That sounds
do
good.
it.
So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and cross. And cross. Boom, ha, tap, 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 jump, and left, right, head, doggy, ha, slide, pedal, bourré, down, and pose. Okay guys, now we're gonna show everything very slow. And it goes like 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and cross, to go. Left, tap, right, tap, jump, 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 and jump, to go. Left, right, step, doggy, teach me how to doggy, stop, to go. Slide, pedal bourré, down, and pose.
Okay, a bit faster.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and press, left, tap, tap, ha, and jump, and left, right, left, to go. Doggy, stop, slide, pedal bourré, down, pose.
Alright, so one last time,
Yeah.
where Eddie will be singing the lyrics, so if you are listening to the song, you can dance along with it.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I can make her dance. I can make her dance. I can make her dance. Right. I can make her dance. I can make her dance. Yes. I can make her dance, girl. I can make you dance.
Yeah! Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the dance move from Nini's Make Her Dance music video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, I will put the link and his channel, all his social media links. So please go watch his stuff, subscribe to his channels. Eddie?
Yeah, and guys, we would love to see you dance the choreography, so please tag us.
Yes.
And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, until next time.
Woo, peace.